Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I am Muhammad Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Naranpur Zayu Senior Fazil Madrasa. Dear student, I hope that you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Allah. Today, I will take a class on transformation of sentence, especially affirmative to interrogative. Dear student, we know that there are so many rules of affirmative to interrogative, but now I am going to discuss about some specific rules. Dear student, firstly I will discuss to you the structure of auxiliary to be, to do or to have. Thus as if we find auxiliary verb, to be verb, to do verb or to have verb, then we have to transform this affirmative to interrogative by this rule. That is, firstly auxiliary verb, secondly NP, thirdly subject, fourthly principal verb, next extension plus note of interrogation. This is the structure. Dear student, here I have written an example of affirmative such as we are going drinking water. We are drinking water. Dear student, if you want to make it into interrogative, then we have to make it by taking auxiliary at first, that is are, then NP, then subject we, then principal verb drinking, then extension water, next note of interrogation. So we will say that in affirmative we are drinking water, and in interrogative, are you drinking water? That means we are drinking water. Dear student, in second rule, we can say if we find any principal verb or main verb in any sentence, then we have to make it in interrogative by this rule. This rule is that firstly don't or doesn't or didn't, then subject, then principal verb, then extension, then note of interrogation. Dear student, now I am going to give an example of all this sentence accordingly. Firstly, we eat rice. In this sentence, it is main verb. As it is main verb, so we have to make it in interrogative by this rule. That means firstly don't, secondly subject we, thirdly main verb eat, fourthly extension rice, and next note of interrogation. So we will say in affirmative we eat rice, and in interrogative don't we eat rice. Dear student, this is the example of present indefinite tense, and the subject is first person plural. When the subject will be in third person singular number, then after the verb we will find S oblique is. Then we have to make it into interrogative by this rule, that is firstly doesn't, then subject, then principal verb, then extension, then note of interrogation. Thus as he drinks what milk, and its interrogative is firstly doesn't, secondly subject he, thirdly main verb drink, fourthly extension milk, and next note of interrogation. And in number 3, when we get the past form of verb, then we have to make it into interrogative by this rule, that is, firstly we have to take didn't, secondly subject, thirdly principal verb, fourthly extension, next note of interrogation. Dear student, here we have written an example of past indefinite tense. Rohim went to Dhaka. In this sentence, we have found the past form of verb, went. So, we have to bring firstly didn't, then subject Rohim, then present form of verb went is go, then extension to Dhaka, and next note of interrogation. That is, in affirmative, Rohim went to Dhaka, and in interrogative, didn't Rohim go to Dhaka? Dear student, this is the specific rules of affirmative to interrogative. Now I am going to discuss some another rules which are also very much important in this chapter. Such as, now come to rule number 3. In rule number 3, we will say that if we find in any sentence everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, none, then we have to make it into interrogative by adding in place of everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, who. Dear student, firstly I have to discuss everybody, everyone. As the word everybody and everyone is affirmative, so we have to take in place of everybody who, then auxiliary verb, that is don't, doesn't or didn't, then principal verb love, then extension flower, and then note of interrogation. In affirmative, everybody loves flower, so we will do it into interrogative by adding who in place of everybody, after then doesn't, and then love, main verb or principal verb, then extension, then note of interrogation. Dear student, rule number 4, we have said before that if we find in any sentence everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, none, in place of nobody, no one and none, we have to add only who. We have to add only who in place of nobody. And there is no change, because in place of nobody, no one, none, we have to follow this rule. That is, firstly who, secondly verb, that is like, and thirdly extension, that is a liar, and after then note of interrogation. Dear student, then we will come to rules number 5. In rule number 5, we have seen that if we find in any sentence never, then we have to take into interrogative by adding never. The structure is firstly auxiliary verb, secondly subject, thirdly a verb, fourthly extension, and note of interrogation. Thus says affirmative, I never take tea. Its interrogative is, firstly we have to bring auxiliary verb of take, do, then subject I, then negative word, affirmative word of never, ever, then principal verb take, then extension take, and after that note of interrogation. Dear student, now come to rule number 6, that is, if we find anything. If we find nothing in any sentence, then we have to follow these rules. That is, firstly auxiliary verb, secondly subject, thirdly anything, fourthly extension, and then root of interrogation. Just as in affirmative, I have nothing to do. Its interrogative is, firstly we have to bring the auxiliary verb have, then subject I, then affirmative word of nothing, anything, then principal verb to do, then root of interrogation. Dear student, today we have discussed about affirmative to interrogative. Actually, affirmative to interrogative sentence is very much interesting for you, and I think that if you follow these all rules in your home, then you will be expert in making affirmative to interrogative. Dear student, finally I want to say that in the pandemic of coronavirus, you should keep in your house, you should save, and you should study regularly, because without study you cannot learn more. Dear student, today my class is finished. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.